Hi, this video will show you how to preview fonts in Windows 11. So here is a font that I downloaded from defont.com. It's called Evil Empire, and it was delivered to me in a zip archive. So let me show you how we can preview this font quickly. First, let's unzip the archive, right click, and then go to Extract All. Click Extract. And now I've got a folder that I can open. And the font file is a .otf file. And if I just double click that, I will get a preview. And then, of course, if you're happy with that, you can click this button to install. The personalization menu inside Windows 11 has got a great utility for you to preview your fonts. Let's show you how to get there. Go to your search menu and type fonts, then click either one of these icons. And down below, you'll see available fonts. And let's find one that's kind of interesting looking. You're already getting a little bit of a preview, but let's pick this font, Casteller. Now here's our preview menu at the top. So type the text that you want to preview. I want to see how this text looks in Casteller. If I can type right. And you can also change the font size. And once you have a font installed, you can preview it just like this. It works for all of the fonts installed in your Windows installation. So that's how to preview fonts in Windows 11. I hope that helps.